When a brand launches a rebrand, people see the logo reveal, the CEO on the stage, the polished campaigns. But you know what? They don't see the months of work that happened before that moment. The 3 a.m. calls because a site measurement was off at a flagship location. The emergency reprint because the color wasn't matching the brand standards. The coordinated phased rollout city by city, location by location, that had to happen in a sequence so precise that one delay can push the entire campaign. मैंने ये बहुत बार देखा है, बहुत बार किया है. And today I want to show you what actually happens when a big brand decides to change its identity from where I stand. Because the rebrand isn't the reveal, the rebrand is everything that happened before it. For those who don't know me, I am Sunny Thakur, the founder of Lakshya Brand Solutions and the author of The Growth Multiplier for Brand. From 15 years, I have been working with some of India's biggest brands on their physical branding. Everything I talk about here, I have lived firsthand. Whatever I share comes from real experiences, real mistakes, and real lessons. Now, let's get into it. The brand wants every location to look right before any of them go public, because one location that looks off can undo months of careful work. और इस प्रेशर में मिस्टेक्स होती हैं और बहुत महंगी वाली मिस्टेक्स होती हैं. Let me tell you why rebrands are so hard. You see a new logo, new colors, new guideline. But for a brand with physical presence, stores, showrooms, offices, dealer points, it's a logistic project. Think about it. A brand with hundreds of locations across India decides to rebrand. That means every location needs updated signage, updated fixtures, updated brand elements, all within a specific timeline. And the rollout is rarely all at once. It's typically phased. Flagship store first, then comes the key market, then everything else. Every rebrand I have worked on, the same three problems show up every single time. The first is late design approvals. The creative team finalizes the design, then goes to the legal team, needs to approve it, then to the regional team, have their feedbacks, then there is one more revision, and all of this is happening while the production clock is already ticking. जितना डिजाइन लेट होगा उतना प्रोडक्शन का टाइम कम होगा. Second is the wrong measurements. This sounds basic. It's not. In a multi-location rollout, measurements are taken at dozens of sites by different people. Some are accurate, some are estimates, and some are just wrong. And we found out they are wrong when the material arrives on the site and does not fit. We have had situations where we remade material overnight because a site measurement was off by a few inches. उस रात को फैक्ट्री में everyone working, no sleep, because the location goes live tomorrow morning. To know what a rebrand actually tests, it's not your creativity. Your agency does that. A rebrand tests the strength of your execution system. The most beautiful design in the world executed poorly look like a compromise in the real world. और एक एवरेज डिजाइन executed perfectly, consistently across every single location, that's what actually builds brand recall. Execution isn't the last step of a rebrand, it's the most important one. If this video gave you something to think about, please like it. It generally helps more people find this content. And if you want more of this real talks straight from the ground up, don't forget to subscribe. I put out something every week. If you know someone who needs to hear this, share it with them. Drop your questions or thoughts in the comments. मैं सबको पढ़ता हूँ. See you in the next one.